Hey Jack, are you reading? Why don't you read to me that book? What can you read in that book to me? What's it say? Okay. Hey, Hud. Hi, bud. Hi. What do you think? Hey, why don't you read to me? Okay. What's that say in the book?
Yeah. Zahaya. No.
What else?
No.
Nose?
No.
Nose? Hey, where's your nose?
No.
Good job.
Yay.
Uh-oh. Can you read to your brother? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Can you say, hi, Hud? Can you help me film your brother? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, that's your brother.
No.
Nope. Don't, no. No, okay.